$5,000 limit credit card, as well as other products. It also offers personal loans up to $50,000. It is also very easy to join. All you need is $1, so stay tuned. Teachers Federal Credit Union is the second largest credit union in the state of New York. It is also the 25th largest credit union in the nation. It has 463,125 members at 33 different locations. Teachers Federal Credit Union's CD rates are 5 times the national average, and it also has a B Health rating. Membership in the Teachers Federal Credit Union is open to anyone regardless of their residency status. The only requirement is $1 deposit. Super simple, super easy to join. I want to start out with their credit cards. They offer 5 different credit cards. First up is the student credit card. As everybody knows, I'm not a huge fan of student credit cards, as I think it would be best to be an authorized user on a responsible parent's account to build up your child's or loved one's credit versus applying for a student credit card. The point of a student credit card is to build your credit. And as you can see on this screen, there's a quick and easy application process. Credit limits start from $250 and go all the way up to $750, and that low APR rate of 14% to 18% is pretty low for today's standards. Next up is their secured card. This is also a credit builder card for those interested in building a good payment history. This card is very basic and has a low APR rate of 18%. It also has no annual fee. It does not talk about limits on this credit card. However, what you put down for your deposit, your minimum deposit, will be what your starting limit will be on this card. Next up is their low rate credit card. This is a card that can be used to transfer balances at a 0% rate. This card would be beneficial for transferring high interest balances to this card, therefore paying this balance off without the high interest rate that is very likely on the account with the balance that is coming from. This is a good technique to use to save yourself money. Interest rates are insane right now. The card also has a low APR rate of 14%, which is very low by today's standards. There is also no annual fee. Next up is their Cashback card. So this card is on par with the cashback rate of the likes of Navy Federal, their cash rewards card, unless you actually have the 1.75% cashback on that card, as well as the Capital One Cashback card. So this card has a 0% intro APR on balance transfers, 0 intro APR on new purchases, a low APR of 16.10% through 18%, and also has no annual fee. And again, you get unlimited 1.50% cash back on every single purchase. And typically you want a card that gives you at least 2% back, which is pretty much the industry standard today. And with the cashback options, you can use them pretty much like the other organizations, financial institutions, credit unions. You can use them in the same way. You can get a statement credit, you can have direct deposit into your teacher's account, or you can use your cashback for merchandise gift cards. Next up is their best card, in my opinion, for a couple of reasons. This is the Platinum card. This card offers a 1 point per dollar spent on qualifying purchases. You also get the low APR rate as well as 0% intro APR rate, which is great. You also have no annual fee, which is great because this is one of their higher tier cards. And last but not least, this card offers a limit up to $25,000. So not only do you get all of the 0% APR for the balance transfers and new purchases, you also get that 1 point per dollar spent, which is just an added extra bonus. And on top of that, potentially having $25,000 on this card, that is incredible. And as you can see, what you can use your points for this particular card is thousands of merchandise items, airline, hotel, rental car, and activity options, and a variety of gift cards as well. This credit union also offers business credit cards. And as you can see on this screen, the maximum credit line is $50,000. And you get the variable interest rate prime plus 6% adjusted quarterly, and no annual fee. And I also included pictures of the credit card application. Very simple process if you review this application. Another key feature about this credit union that I like is that they also offer personal loans. So the process on their website seems pretty easy to apply for a personal loan. The good thing about the personal loans is that their personal loans go up to $50,000. I was just looking at reviewing one recently that I received from Discover, and theirs go up to $40,000. So this is $10,000 more. And based on what the website says, it's a quick approval process. Rates as low as 10.99 APR, and the terms are from 2 to 6 years. Another thing I like about this credit union is they also offer investment services, which is another reason why I enjoy and like this credit union. With being a member, you have access to financial services and virtual education. As I speak about this all the time, I really love these features with credit unions. Financial education is a critical key in your financial success. As you can see on this page, here are some of the virtual education programs that they offer via webinar. Information about credit union financial planning, life insurance, mutual funds, rollover, IRA transfers, and retirement IRAs, traditional and Roth. This information is critical as we get older and we want to make our financial planning set for our loved ones' future. They also have a credit knowledge area, but this area is very limited, has very limited information in this area compared to some of the other recent credit unions that I've reviewed on my YouTube channel. So what are your thoughts on this credit union? Is this credit union something you would be consider joining, especially because it is so easy to join, only $1 to join, possibly getting a $25,000 credit card or a $50,000 personal loan to improve your life? Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this channel. If this information offered you value, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later.